I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Thunder Creations in Millbridge, Maine. And this week I'm going to start my Bugatti pedal car build. And this video will show you the assembly of the frame. Next week I will cover the wheels because you don't buy the wheels, you actually make them. And it's actually a long process, probably longer than it should be. The plans are from the Stevenson project, and they're out in California. And I will put a link in the description below the video if you're interested. The plans are about $40. They were designed a long time ago and they leave a little bit to be desired, but if you're savvy enough you can follow them. And I'm building this Bugatti pedal car to donate to the Women's Health Resource Library annual fundraising auction here in Millbridge, and that's going to be towards the end of July 28th I believe the auction is. And so I'm rolling along. I've begun construction. Stay tuned, watch the building of the frame, and it's not terribly difficult to do. I'm using hardwood in this case. I'm using locally harvested redwood. And please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share the video. I'd appreciate it. And you'll be entered automatically in my random giveaways that I have from time to time. So thank you very much for watching, and maybe you'll build a pedal car for somebody you know or for a local fundraiser where you live. Thanks again.